mas mabilis na lang. Request niya ako.
Check, check.
Guys. Yung first night, pagkatawagin. Okay.
Low. From DB Schenker, wearing number 15, Colin Kaiban. Wearing number 17 jersey, Tradisila Joseph. Wearing number 28 jersey, Lorente Fred. Wearing number 77, Loxin Edward. Wearing number 12, Kulala John Paul. Wearing number 32, Nomo Abraham. Wearing number 27, Lejano Erickson. Wearing number 10, Jan Olaberta. Wearing number 30, Josh Manalo. Wearing number 6, Mariano Ian. Wearing number 29, Ace Baguio. Wearing number 11, Sid Tanangco. Wearing number 8, Alessandro Mandak. Wearing number 9, JR Florencio. Wearing number 13, Ace Longakit. Wearing number 2, Raymar Dalio. Wearing number 7, Rodney Baluyot. Wearing number 23, Romel Aniban. And wearing number 3, Marlo Regala. Wearing number 1, Gatchalian from Blue Bloods. Wearing number 16, Jerry Abueche. Wearing number 5, Bernard Malipot. Wearing number 17, Jomar Arellano. Wearing number 21, Rodney Belarmino. Wearing number 6, Mark Antolianhao. Wearing number 24, Brian Bautista. Wearing number 3, Maravilla Marvin. Wearing number 2, Ryan Belen. Wearing number 9, Raymond Valencia. Wearing number 31, Alex Palse. Wearing number 20, Hubert Malabag. Wearing number 19, Miguel Yango. Wearing number 1, Mikael Belobelo. Wearing number 7, Idris Rostan. Wearing number 10, Chris Cabunab. Wearing number 15, Patrick Relucio. Wearing number 61, Ramje Atienza. Wearing number 13, Francis Figura. Wearing number 0, Adrian Valencia. Wearing number 11, Mark Ong. Wearing number 12, Carlo Sibo.
Salita ka muna. Pakilala natin.
Ito yung ongoing phase ko, and as you can see, in just minutes, kumikita ako ng total of $20 or 1,000
Thank you, Blue Bloods and DB Schenker. Let me call our official referee, Ogie Bernarte.
Good morning sa inyong lahat. It's nice to be back to my yearly routinary activity, and that is to officiate the Turks Championship game. So before we formally start, honestly, both teams will be given equal opportunity to win. Wala kaming kakampihan sa inyo. All you have to do is to play. Give your best shot. If you have any question, during that goal period, delegate it to your team captain. Now, you can play physical, highly physical, but not dirty. Meaning to say, highly physical, body to body. No elbowing, no tripping, no headbutting, no karate chop, no close fist. Body to body lang tayo. Physical. Okay yan. Exciting championship game. Now, to the would-be champion, congratulations. To the team that won't be able to make it this morning, better luck next time. Good luck. But, before anything else, I would like to call the attention of our commissioner, Wax, for some words of reminders and encouragement. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Ogie. So quick lang bago maglaro. No? Congratulations guys, DB Schenker and Blue Bloods. Sobrang match to. First time yung nakapasok sa Blue Bloods, di ba? First time sa finals. No? So good luck kay Carlo, Team Carlo, ni Romel, and sabi ni Sir Ogie, physical lang. Wala nga na. So alam niyo na yun. Sa mga officials, thank you so much. Thank you sa paniniwala. Thank you sa trust, sa support. So let's just begin. No? Wala nang warm-up. Game na. Thank you guys. That's
Two points. Number 23, Aniban. Check. Jump ball.
Valencia. Number 9.
Foul. Foul number 3. First personal foul. First team foul. Offensive foul, number 23. First personal foul, second team foul. Blue ball. Three, number 0, Valencia. Fifteen to shoot. Out of bounds. Same ball. 13 to shoot. Time out. Giving Shankar. Back to the ball game.
Thank you sa mga sponsors.
Score 9-2 in favor of Blue Bloods.
MonteKicks.ph. Thank you, Sir Monty. Na-receive ko na.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Five to shoot. Blue ball. Ten to shoot. Sixteen to shoot. Two points, number 13, Tanko. Foul. Foul number 9. First personal foul. First team foul.
Yeah, as mentioned ni Sir Ogie, highly physical, allowed. Pero may mga certain rules siya na bawal. So, coming from the professional referee, Ogie Bernarte from PBA. So let's see, may mga fans ng DB Schenker on the side. Maganda yung ambience dito guys. Kasi yung gusto manood, watch lang kayo. Punta kayo dito. Salamat din sa
15 to shoot.
kay Miss DJ Santos and Marlon, asawa niya, for the pound per pound.
2 points. Number 1, Belo Belo. Foul number 9. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Three. Number 23, Anivan. Fifteen to shoot. Substitution.
Nice block. Sumabit si Marlo.
Foul number 3. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Intention game natin ngayon. So, everyone eager makakuha ng trophy this time.
Substitution.
Masaya. And medyo seryoso yung mga players. And good sign yon kasi talagang by heart, mahal nila yung larong basketball.
Substitution. Fifteen to shoot.
Relucio.
3. Number 50.
Ay mga
Relucio.
Amen. Recognize ko yung mga dumating.
Blue ball.
Dating participants, yung mga team ng Masters yan. Si 3-time MVP Marlon Desamero, nandun sa side, Ganda si Mon Santos, saka si
Defensive foul number
Pao
0.
Bautista. Thank you for coming, guys. Thank you. And also kay Jimmy na
First personal
nakuha
foul,
ngayon ng,
13 fouls.
shots. Thank you for supporting, bro. Thank you.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Medyo maganda yung depensa ng Blue Bloods. Si,
Substitution.
Si Pat. Naganahan. Iba, nawak yung bola.
10 to shoot.
Sober.
5 to shoot.
Shooter din to, si Baluyot.
3. Number 7, Baluyot.
Palse. 2 points,
2
Palse.
points. Number 31. Palse.
Nice move.
Foul. Foul number 8. First personal foul, 14 fouls. Substitution.
Sir Ogie, it makes the league extra special pag nandiyan si Sir Ogie Bernarte. Iba yung presence niya sa liga. So thank you, Sir Ogie. Also kay Rocky.
Pasok.
Especially also kay Captain Lising. Salamat po for allowing us to play BSA. Marcong Palse. Kabunyag. Romel, diretso na to.
2 points. Number 23, Aniban.
Si Francis. Chris. Marco. Just important to avoid yung basket.
2 points. Number 11, oh.
Liban. Isa na naman.
2 points. Number 23, Aniban.
Best player of the season. Siya yun. Marco. Labas na si Adrian.
15 to shoot.
Chris. JR Florencio. Diretso na to.
Foul. Foul number 13, penalty. First personal foul.
Thank you din sa sports coordinator na laging supportive sa atin, si Luisa. Salamat. Sa anak niya, si Sean, sa sakwa niya, also kay Grace, saka kay Mark. Salamat, Mark. Sa PD Photography, kay PJ, salamat. Marco. Basket.
Foul. Who's foul rep? First personal number 7. Foul. Foul number 7. Penalty. Second personal foul.
Best import na pala. Yeah. Best import. Papahinga si Adrian. Si Mark Kong ever since. Hindi nagbabago ang laro.
Number 2 for number 11.
Amen. Side step. Mark Kong. Palse. Yes. Libre si Wala na. Amen.
2 points, number 23, Aniban.
15 seconds to go.
15 seconds.
Nine seconds.
10 seconds.
Nice move.
Foul. Foul number 11. First personal foul, penalty.
Palse.
Pasok. 5 seconds. End of the first quarter. Score 22-19 in favor of Blue Bloods.
So, end the first quarter, 3-point lead by Blue Bloods. Sobrang dikit, sobrang intense. Hanggang pinagandaan nila to. Actually, first ever ng Blue Bloods makaharap ang, first time nila makapunta sa finals. So, special sa kanila to. Kay Dane, get well soon. So, dapat siya ngayon yung MC, pero nahirapan siya. May sakit siya ngayon. So, get well soon. Dane. Critical 5 nga pala si Chris. Game mode. Romel. 3-point shot.
15 to shoot.
Ayan na, si Adrian.
2 points, number 0, Valencia. $15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Foul. Foul number 13. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Shots for JR. Siya yung import ng DB Schenker.
Pasok.
Ang hinayang siya sa missed free throw. Ganun ka-intense dito. Francis, siya na rin veteran.
15 to shoot.
Adrian, Patrick. Marlo, rebound. Romel. Garte. Etres. Pasok? Hindi. Adrian.
Foul.
Sumabit si
Foul number
Yais.
11. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Si Sid pala. Sid. 2 shots, Adrian. Yeah, best import of the season, Adrian Valencia. Basket.
2 for 2 for number 0.
Ito yung play na ginagawa ng DB. Sid, diretso. Post. Rebound. Marlo. Good call? Good call. Francis. Okay, kay Sir Raymond. Nice pass, Adrian. Rebound. JR. Diretso na siguro to. Nice move.
Foul. Foul number 13. Third personal foul number 13. Second team foul.
Shots. Patrick. Mikhail. Francis, libre. Almost. Kanya ulit. Mikhail. Adrian, isa pa. Short. Sid. Romel. Hang time. So,
2 points. Number 23.
time out.
Time out. Blue Blood.
Ngayon, parang underman yung kulang sa tao ang Blue Bloods compared sa DB Schenker kompleto. Sa mga nanonood, I don't know kung nag-chat kayo sa akin.
Back to the ball game.
Thank you for watching. Nakilala ko lang dito si Monty. Sa iba, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, thank you for believing. Antoine Basketball League or Mars Basketball League, salamat. Three-point shot. No.
15 to shoot. Foul number 15. First personal foul. 13 foul.
Seed. Gamit ang pick. So Marlo.
15 to shoot.
Back to Seed. Seed. Oh, pasok.
2 points.
Good shot.
Number 11. Hanko.
Si Raymond na nagdala. Diretso kay Nick. Sobra.
Out of bounds.
Maganda.
Green ball.
Fans sila doon. Fans ang DB Schenker. Sa isa na lang lamang ng Blue Bloods. Hawak ni Romel. Kaya tao. Nice D by Patrick. Adrian. Nice D by Romel. Sayang lang. Nice D by Romel.
Save ball.
Nice D by Patrick. Nice D by Romel.
Substitution.
So pumasok na si Baluyot and si Olabarrieta. Labas muna si Circulana. Inbound Patrick, Adrian goes to Marcong. Chris, basket.
2 points. Number 8. Malabana.
Seed, ako ang bola. Sila kay Marlo. Kay Baluyot. JR.
15 to shoot.
Crossover. Nice pass. Nabitawan.
Isa.
9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot.
Marlo, fouling. Good pass.
Ate! Takbo! Pat!
Marcong, diretso kay Patrick.
Foul. Foul number 11. Third personal foul. Second team foul.
Pasisid, pasok si number 13. Marcong. Chris, another shot. Same. Wala. Marcong, good pass kay Palse. Nice move.
2 points. Time out. DB Schenker.
Lamang ng 5 ang Blue Bloods.
Lahat po nun sa sub, punta po dito sa committee stable. Huwag po dun sa bench nyo. Pag hindi kayo pumunta, hindi po ibibigay yung sub. Dito po, lapit po sa committee.
Okay.
Saka sa timeout po, lapit po rito, lapit.
So kaya kasama si Chris Cabunyag sa Mythical 5 kasi hindi mangyayari yung play na yun, hindi sa kanya, yung hustle play niya. So again, ang Mythical 5 hindi na sa points, okay? Sa impact niya sa team. So doon natin siya tinignan. And same goes dun kaya sa Vipers, Christian Santos, kay Jose Roa, siyempre kay Romel, no question yan. And also kay kay Sir Balidoy ng SCM. So back to the ball game. Nagigit ko Taluyot, Rodney, no. Markong, diretso. Pulse na naman. Wala. Rebound, 1 JR. Huli. So under 4 minutes mark.
Uli!
Foul. Foul number 15.
Ilan na si Patrick?
Second personal foul. 14 fouls.
Lapit, shooter yan!
Nice pass.
Foul.
Nice pass.
Foul number 11. Penalty.
Maluyot kasi hindi na-convert.
First personal foul.
2 shots, Marlo. Markong. Essie. Pull up.
Uli! Patay natin! Nice one, nice play!
Markong.
Tayo, go!
Marlo. Balik kay Rodney. Crossover move. Nice pass. Good play.
2 points. Number 23. Aniban.
Chris, Patrick, Adrian. Crossover. Adrian.
Foul. Foul number 13. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Mas muna si Marlo. Pasok si JR. Adrian, 2 shots. Napaka-shooter. One more. Let's get
2 for 2. Or number 0. Valencia.
crossover. JR.
15 to shoot.
Makat.
2 points. Number 24.
Adrian. Matake. Diretso na. Rodney. Nice move again.
2 points. Number 7. Baluyot.
Klase pinapakita ni Rodney yan. Markong. Crossover. Nice move. Iba talaga
2
yung Markong.
points. Number 11. Oh.
Ang bilis ng laro. Under 3 minutes. Nice.
Foul. Foul number 15. Third personal foul.
Iba yung intense dito, guys. Kung nanonood kayo ng live. Iba yung intensity. 2 shots, number 30. Yung nga. Rai Valencia. Adrian. Pasok.
2 points. Number 0. Valencia.
5-point lead by Blue Bloods. Romel.
Usap kayo, usap!
Ako. JR.
15 to shoot.
Numersa. What?
2 points. Number 24.
JR. Adrian. 3-point shots. Wala. Mungapit. That's the JR. Oh, nice move. Sayang. Romel, long time. Napa-straight si Romel doon. Oh, nice move.
Foul. Foul number 41.
Lalabas na talaga ng mga
First personal foul.
half time.
Foul. Foul number 2. Right. Penalty. First personal foul.
Best import. Si ano amangkin mo? Amangkin mo? Tatlo na lang yung lamang. Ang Blue Bloods. Nice move.
2 points. Number 24.
Time out ang Blue Bloods. Sino pa? Remaining time, isa daw.
Alharo.
Last shot. Isa daw, boss. Mark Ong. Second na lang.
40 seconds.
Matak si Mark Ong.
Foul. Number 22nd personal foul.
Last 36 seconds of the first half. Split charity.
35 seconds.
JR, Alaro.
Good!
Romel.
2 points. Number 23. Aniban. Foul. Foul number 7. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Mariano checking in. Marco. Isa lang lamang. Nakadikit ng lahat.
Two for number 11. Oh. 22 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
Kumapit. Ito, Romel.
10 seconds.
For 3, Romel.
3. Number 23, Aniban. 5 seconds. End of the second quarter. Score 40-39. Change favor.
What a
DB
shot.
Shankar.
What a shot. Ano natin masasabi doon? Best player of the season. Ano natin magagawa doon? Say halftime.
Ramon.
Pedal muna, walang coffee. Ah. Basta na rin, sige. Kaso di ko kasi alam kung sino mag-champion eh. Wala. Tuloy ko na.
Ano sa MVP?
Check 5.
Ano nangyari sa kasama nyo?
Wala siya eh.
Sino ba yan? Si Joel?
Hindi, yung isa.
Joel, kumali.
Dilig sa referee, malay katawan.
Okay, bigay ko siya. Ganun pa rin. Hapian nyo na lang. Hapian nyo na lang. Baka mas ganun pa si Hoki. Done. Pero ako.
Third quarter. Three. Number 13, Figura.
So, narito ako, guys. So, 3-point shot by Francis.
15 to shoot.
So, dalawa lang yung lamang.
2 points, number 15, Relucio. Ten to shoot. Jump ball. 5 to shoot, 5 seconds to shoot.
Romel. 3-point shot, Romel. Tapos. Nice Axel, pero Marlo, nice hustle ni Marlo. Adrian, good. Congratulations na. Pinasa.
Foul. Foul number 1. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution. Time out.
Alright guys, naglal yung internet ko. Pero 3-point shot by this man, Francis Figura. 7-point lead dahil sa kanya. Ang Blue Bloods.
$15 to shoot.
Take note, guys, wala pang talo ang division.
10 to shoot.
Wala pang talo. Marlo medyo nag-init kay Mikhail. So, kaya na officials yan.
Green ball.
Marlo, labas mo si Marlo.
Foul. Foul number 15. Fourth personal foul, number 15. Substitution.
Marlo, okay lang?
Two points, number 24. Alajaro. $15 to shoot.
JR.
Blue ball. $15 to shoot. Two points, number 24. Alejano.
Basket with JR. So down to 3-point lead. Adrian, tira.
Foul number 9. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Foul number 31. First personal foul. Third team foul. So,
Dalawa na lang yung lamang. Romel for another shot. Tapos, Rebound Palse, Adrian. Francis. Marco. Up. Namala sila, namala. Bibi. Outlet to Romel, back to JR. Nahuli. Sayang. Dalawa naman. Ito si Adrian. Yan. Mersa. Ayaw pumasok. Marco.
foul. Foul number 13, second personal foul, second team foul.
Two shots. Fred Laurente raw. So baka kay DB Shenko yun. Si Longakit. Balik kay
15 to
Rodney.
shoot.
Longakit, back to Rodney. Fake. Drives. Lumabas. Kanya pa rin. JR. Rodney, kumira ng 3 points. Tapos, 4 pa rin na lamang ng Blue Bloods. Low scoring more game. Adrian. Atake. Huli.
Same ball.
Napansin DB Shenker on the side.
Francis!
14 to shoot.
Francis, muntik na. Ayan. 4 na lamang, under 6 minutes. Third quarter. Finals, DB Shenker versus Blue Bloods.
15 to shoot.
Again guys, wala pang talo ang DB Shenker.
Foul number 1. First personal foul number 1.
Muntik na mahuli ni Mark. Oy,
Out of bounds. Blue ball.
Adrian, atake na naman. Marco.
Foul number 1. Penalty. Number 1, second personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty. Two shots for Longakit. So penalty and DB Blue Bloods. So pwede nang take advantage on free throw by Longakit. Nice. Chris Diba. Marco. Romel. Hinagalan. Turnaround. Basket.
2 points. Number 23. Anibal.
Makahid na si Romel. Francis. Palse. Magkano yung depensa?
Green ball.
So number 41 ang gumawa nun. Si Tabdicilia. Good defense, Tabdicilia. Oh, ito si Lumaki. JR, import. Short. Rebound, Adrian. Atake. Attack mode si Adrian. Adrian. And the back. Foul.
Foul. Foul number 13. Third personal foul. 13 foul.
Adrian, free throws. Ulises Fuentes. Lumaki. Rodney short. Tatlo lang ang lamang. Ito si Marco. Attack mode. Really,
15 to shoot.
top 2 teams talaga. Kasi talagang higit ang laban. Tatlo lang.
10 to shoot.
Chris. Nasa Palse. Palse.
Foul. Foul number 41. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Substitution.
Substitution si Sir Asi. Asi Buche. Guard. Guard talaga. Company guard yan ng MERS. So ito si Romel. Versus Marco.
Foul number 11.
Penalty.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
So nag-experience si Mark. Pero tawag na. Romel 2 shots. Importante isa. Back to 4-point lead. One more. 3-point lead.
Substitution.
Raymond Valencia. Palse. Derecho. Basket.
2 points. Number 31. False.
Veteran move. Romel. Atake Romel. Jerry with the rebound. Marco. Lumababa ko ng Mark. Nasa kay Raymond.
15 to shoot.
Mark. Chris. Balik kay Palse. Yes.
Substitution.
Romel. 5 lang ang lamang. 5 lang. So, Romel. Rodney. Penalty ang
15 to shoot.
Bloods. Lumaki.
10 to shoot.
JR. It's a good pass to Romel. Huli. JR. JR, dumidiskarte. Matake. Post. Huli ulit. Romel. Basket.
2 points. Number 23. Aniba.
Hindi na mababa sa Blue Bloods. Tumira si Adrian. Wala. Nakita mo na yung fatigue factor dito, no? JR. Labas kay Baluyot. Basket. Down to 1 point lead.
Time out. Blue Blood.
It's all about defense. Bishenker. Showing defense. The Blue Bloods. Nakita natin yung patig factor. Again guys, thank you sa sponsors. Thank you sa mga sumuport. Pound for pound kay Ma'am DJ Santos at saka sa asawa niya kay Sir Marlon. And also, syempre, kay MontyGeeks.ph. Thank you so much, bro. And of course, at the mga teams, mga fans, and DB Schenker, right there. Table of defense. Referees. Fans ng Bloods. Thank you po. So, down to 1-point lead. So, medyo talagang, hindi natin malaman. Unlike prior games, medyo expected natin sila manalo. But this time, talagang finals talaga.
15 to shoot.
Adrian May ng pick kay Mark. Kapwa import.
10 to shoot.
Ayan, atake. Nakuha ni Adrian Raymond. Pasok. Tapos. Chance to get back. Lead. Ito na si Baluyot. Pumerecho.
Traveling violation.
Could be. By former best import, Marco. Inbounding. Okay, Sir Raymond. Marco, ang attack mode. Pull up. Rebound.
Double!
Foul.
Penalty.
Foul number 16.
Chance to get back the lead.
Penalty.
So ito ang player na to ang magdalaga sa kanila.
First personal foul.
Let's see. Two shots, number 10. Wala Barrieta. Layo. One more. It will not go in. So, isa pa rin lamang. Blue Bloods. Adrian, ayaw.
50 seconds.
JR, import. Back to JR. Good play. Ayaw talaga pumasok. Ito si Marcong. Good pass to Adrian. Out.
Foul. Foul number 10. First personal foul, penalty.
Two shots for Adrian. Medyo nakita natin pagod na si Adrian. So parang ayot marinis. Pero narinig ko sa uncle niya na gusto niya mag-champion. Romel.
Foul number 0. Second personal foul, penalty.
Sabi Romel. Ball game. So, this is really expected na talagang all na ngayon, 54. Good pass to Michel.
Foul. Number 23. Third personal foul. Penalty.
So, nagko-complain doon si best player of the season, Romel Aniban, about sa play kanina, claiming na foul. And explain din ng referee ano yung nangyari doon. I think, ewan ko, parang kaintindihan sila.
Ten seconds.
Seconds. Stolen
5
by
seconds.
Raymond. This man. I think a veteran move na yun. No? I don't know. Pero shot by Sir Raymond Valencia. Brings back the lead to 2 points. So, back to 2 point lead. Ano kasi? Kaya pa? Exercise.
Kasama ko yung engineer ko. Laki na naman ako.
Si ano? Sali mo na siya. Sali mo. Import.
Meron na kami.
Back to the ball game.
Last quarter. Final quarter. Dalawa lamang ng Blue Bloods. It's going down the wire na. Ika nga. Romel. Game mo. Attack mode. Romel. Pinasag. Good pass to JR. Ties the
2
ball.
points, Sabadenko. Alharo.
56.
Score, all 56.
Patrick. Tagal nagpahinga yan. Marco. Pull up. Ayaw. Patrick. Si Palpal. Push to Romel. For the lead. Side step move.
Rosito, third personal
Out
foul.
of shooting.
For Steve foul.
Baba. Okay. Ay, shoutout ka. Ay, shoutout ka. Oh. Shoutout. 2 shots, may Romel. Ay, sila. Gunod ka? O, baka. 9 minutes.
Super 2 for Aniba.
Pag mga, ano na, mga 11, 15. Kasi lamang na ang DB Schenker.
15 to shoot.
Because of this man, no? Romel, the best player of the season. Romel,
10 to shoot.
Romel, good pass to JR. Apos. Marlo, Ginuwa. Apos. Patrick. Oh. Patrick. Good. Marlo with the rebound. Nakapos sila. Mahaba pa to. After
15 to shoot.
5 minutes mo pinapakit mo sila.
10 to shoot.
Marlo, behind the back pass. JR 3 points.
5 to shoot.
No. Chris.
Green ball.
So 8 minutes, malayo pa 8 minutes. Dalawa lang naman, parang ang laki na ng lamang pag ganyan, pag dalawa. Lungakit, layo. JR, Palpal. Mark Ong. Mark Ong.
Foul.
First one, block. Pero yung pangalawa, kumapit na si Mark.
Foul number 3. Third personal foul.
3 shots.
Pangalawang shoot, Sab. Pangalawang shoot.
Yes. Nanginayang na si Mark Ong kahit isa lang yung lamang pero kasi parang ang hirap. Ang hirap muntos. Dahil sa depensa ng both teams. Maganda. Lumakit. Pinasa. Number 12. Matake. Lumalabas. Mark Ong.
Foul. Foul number 24. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Patrick.
15 to shoot.
Francis for 3. Oh, lumabas. Romel. Under 7 minutes, fourth quarter. Isang lamang ng DB.
15 to shoot.
Lumakit, tataas. Dinerecho, nasa kay Marlo. Ayaw talaga pumasok. So, Chris, outlet. Patrick, pasok.
2 points. Number 15.
Time out, DB Schenker.
Time out. Time out, tingnan.
So, isa lamang back sa Blue Bloods. So, talagang hindi natin malaman sino man nanalo dito. JR.
15 to shoot.
Fakes. Romel, fakes. Mel, fakes. Nice. Tapos, Rebound Francis. Adrian, the best import. Diretso na to. Sumobra. Rebound. Ninyo, napakadigit ng laban. Ninyo, wala ka. Ganda ng laban ninyo. Under 6 minutes remaining. 1 point lead Blue Bloods. Hang on, guys. This is really special, itong laro na to. Iba yung
Both
intense.
teams. Dalawa timeout. Both teams.
Iba yung intense. Intensity, I mean. Shout out kay Ronnie Torres from Monty. Wala si Ron, pare. Francis.
15 to shoot.
Mark Ong. Pinabayo.
10 to shoot.
4-3. Tapos, rebound. Francis. Anino. Same ball.
14 to shoot. 14. Takin po, takin.
Out of bounds si, best import area.
Green ball.
Thank you, Nino. Bawi next season. Ronnie, hindi ko alam yan. Ito, si, Romel.
15 to shoot.
JR. Ikot, supalpal. Ni Chris, kabunyag. Outlet to Patrick. Oy, naiwan. Double.
Double dribble.
So napako tayo sa 1-point lead, 59-58. Romel. Screen. Romel, hawak yung bola. Nasa kay Rodney. Seed for 3, wala. Nahuli ni Seed. Nakuha ni Casillas, pinasa kay JR. Pasok. Ang hirap kumuha ng points sa ilalim.
Alharo.
We're back to 1-point lead by DB Schenker under 5 minutes. Huli. Foul.
Foul number 11. Fourth personal foul.
Oh, sigawan daw kita. Sino dyan? Sige na, si Paulo? Oh, si Mo. Free shot by Francis, sobra. Rebound. Tardesillas. Malaking epekto sa Tardesillas sa depensa.
15 to shoot.
Romel, 4 minutes remaining.
10 to shoot.
10 on the shot clock. Romel, pull up. Wala. Mikhail with the rebound.
Foul.
Good
Foul number
rebound.
41. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Oh, Paulo Bautista. Sigawan daw kita. Pau! Sigawan mo na. Francis. Patrick. Ayaw pumasok. Patrick. Markong Kapos. Patrick Kapos. Si Mikhail pala yan. Napunta sa... Ang hirap. Mahirap makapunta dito kayo guys. Makikita nyo. Hirap. Rodney. Wala. Rodney.
15 to shoot.
Under 3.5 minutes remaining. JR, pinalik. Tardesillas, tapos. Mark Patrick. Gulang sa tao. Francis. Atake. Lumuwa. Pasok.
2 points, number 13. Figueroa. Figura.
Now timeout. Diretso. Seed. Kulang sa tao.
15 to shoot.
Patak-patak yung play. Rodney. Patak kay JR.
10 to shoot.
JR. Take for 3. Atake. Pasok.
2 points, number 24. Alharo.
Back to 1. Ding-dong tayo guys. Francis. 2.5. Sobrang crucial.
15 to shoot.
2.5 remaining. 62-61. Adrian.
10 to shoot.
Patrick umatake. Apos. Rodney. To Romel. Hindi kinaya. Foul.
Foul number. Usmaret.
Adrian. Baluyot. Rodney for 3. Kasobra. Markong. Patrick.
Time out. DB Schenker.
Ito mainit si Patrick. Marami siyang complaints. Sa referee. So, hindi natin masisisi talaga intense eh. And dating normal foul, ngayon, inaalaw. Kasi nga, finals tayo. Inalap ni Sir Ogie yung coach. Nag-warning si Sir Ogie about dun sa nagko-complain.
Back to the ball game.
Natin malaman kung ano yung mamaya, alamin natin. Everything mapag-uusapan naman yan after the game. Talagang intensity. 2 minutes. Isa lamang ang video. Francis. Nice hit. for 3. Basket.
3. Number 15, Relucio. Last 2 minutes.
Parang pang-PBA yun, brother. Lumamang ng dalawa. Parang 10 na yan. JR, import ng DB, binalik kay Longakit.
15 to shoot.
Hindi pinapakuha si Baptar Disilia. Romel,
10 to shoot.
binalik kay JR. Basket.
2
Nice.
points. Number
We are
24,
tied.
Alharo.
So, ang import talaga gumagana pagka crucial. Kasi Mark, import din. Back to Patrick again. Sobra na. Sobra yung tira. Romel, for the lead. Hang time. Mali. Romel. Mark Ong.
Traveling violation.
Sisigawan sila dito. This is how intense itong finals natin. First time ko as a commissioner. So, thank you for making this happen. Sa mga taong pumulong sa akin, for believing, supporting, salamat. Oh, brother, Nino, mukhang OT to. 64 all. Last 2 minutes, 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Bola ng DB. Ang lima nila, si Marlo, si Lungakit, si Rodney, Romel, saka si JR. Sa Blue Blood, si Mikhail, si Francis, si Mark Ong, si Adrian. At saka, hindi ko alam isa. Patrick.
15 to shoot.
Wala sa schedule.
10 to shoot.
Rodney, hang time. Lumasok.
2 points. Time out. Blue Bloods.
Sa dalawa yung labang. Pagkala kayo ng Blue Bloods.
Both teams, isang timeout. Both teams, isang timeout.
Yeah. Edward looks in, yes. Talagang looks good. Pasok na pasok yung tira ni Sir Rodney. 3-point shot. 2-point shot.
Back to the ball game. There, 14.
Adrian mag-inbound.
14 seconds to shoot, ha?
Francis.
10 to shoot.
Adrian with the ball. This is crucial, guys.
5 to shoot.
Best import versus best player of the season.
Wow.
Sabay.
Foul number 23. Aniban.
Hindi naman nakashoot sila.
Penalty. Penalty na po.
Monty, zero. Crucial free throw shots by Adrian Valencia. Best import of the season. Kinuha. Jubilation, ha? Kung naririnig nyo lang, guys. Isa pa. Muntis. Pero na po ni Mark Ong. 30 seconds to go. 40 seconds. Lelucio for the tie. For the lead. DB ball.
Green ball, green.
Isayin ka ng bola. Tikna. Romel, inaaras ni Patrick. Romel. Lungakit.
15 to shoot.
Good pass to JR, libre. Hindi pumasok. Romel, dumay.
5 to shoot. Wow. Who's foul rep?
8 seconds to go.
Foul number 1.
Bagsak sa Romel.
May tayo pa sila?
Time out. Blue Bloods.
Siguro, masasabi ko, ito na yung pinakamahirap na kalaban ng DB Schenker sa season na to. Iba ang Blue Bloods ngayon. Monty
Back to the ball game.
66-64. Favor ng DB. Kanila bola. Foul. Penalty. Ay, hindi. Hindi pala. Inbound. Wala pa. 66-64. Dalawa lamang ng DB. 8.6 seconds remaining. So, in-expect natin dito magpa-foul. In-expect natin dito magpa-foul. So, in-explain na ni Sir Rogi na yung warning kung meron na, wala pa naman daw. There's the Romel. Walang pa foul. There's the foul. There's the foul.
Foul. Foul number 13.
Foul ng Francis. Figura. 4.3 seconds.
4th personal foul.
Si Mami. Si Mami. Good shot to yung pass.
Winner. DB Schenker. Championship. Champion. DB Schenker.
Solid, no? It's okay. Good lads. Let's have them celebrate. Let's have them celebrate. Huh? Sino?
Pakita niyo. Okay, congrats sa champion. Okay. Ano po masasabi nyo?
Nice one, brother.
At sa ating player of the game. Yan, pagod na pagod. Congrats! Congrats! Congrats po! Nice Nice game. Congrats po. Nice game. Ito po ang kanilang MVP. MVP.
Congratulations also to Blue Bloods. Medyo marami na yan. Thank you, Blue Bloods. Thank you. Let's get to the awarding ceremony. DB Schenker at Blue Bloods. Blue Bloods.
Nag-abot naman. Ayun.
Okay, Blue Bloods. Let me call each player. So medyo sobrang intense ha. Hindi ko na makontrol. First time na sobrang intense ng laro. Blue Bloods. Tanggapin niyo na. Silver. Bigay ko yung mga medals. Ay, really? Sobra ka, pare. Guys, yung sticker, lagay nyo na sa likod, ha? Humingi ako na assistance kay Vitan and TP Marlon. Sana kayo. Kay Sir Rai, kay Chris, kay Mick, kay Francis, of course, Palse, of course, kay Mark Ong, kay Sir Raymond, kay Sir Ramsey, of course, kay Best Import. Okay lang yan. Ito yan. Good game. Thank you, Luisa. Salamat. Kay Grace, kay Mark, kay Sean. Sa mga fans, sobra, yung fans ng DB, thank you. Sa DB, sa Blue Blood, salamat. Sa coaching staff, Guys, wait lang. Guys, sorry, nakalimutan ibigay. Oh, next time, kakakunin natin itong sponsor, ha? Jenny. Let's go to the main team. Oh, kami po din. DB Shaker, champion team.
Sige.
So, si Sid Tanangko. First.
Mel! Rumel! Sige, sige ako. Players muna.
No, no, no.
Baka lang eh. Parang pala yung videos ko yun.